morning, everyone. Today I'll be talking about something very cool, artificial intelligence. But before we dive into it, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered what it will be like in the future with robots and smart machines? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. First, let's talk about the advantages. Helping people. AI helps people in a lot of ways. For example, it helps doctors find diseases and even make new medicines to make humans healthier. Making life easier. Have you ever heard of Siri or Alexa? They give us information, open music, and even turn on the lights in our homes. Help exploring new frontiers. AI can go to places where humans can't go. For example, deep underwater or even high above space. Now, let's talk about the disadvantages of AI. Taking jobs. AI takes jobs because they're better at it, cheaper, and faster than how humans do it. Privacy concerns. AI needs a lot of data to make decisions. Sometimes that means it knows a lot about us. Safety issues. AI might be good, but it's not perfect. It can make mistakes or even be tricked by bad people. So, is AI a friend or a foe? Well, it's a bit of both. It helps us do things and it makes mistakes. As we move on into the future, us kids, adults, and scientists must use AI the right way to make AI a better place. Thank you for listening.